Come to your king. Eat in front of Abdeel, your king of the birds. Yo lo compré antes de llegar aquí y vale, eso vale como 20 pesos. Ellos venden ese chin por 25 ahí.
Ah, pues pero tú sabes cómo es los negocios.
No,
yo no, de turistas.
Claro, yo no lo estoy. Pero ya me pasó una vez y compré como 8 fundas. Y dije, Dios mío, 200 pesos en eso. Y aquí están los 200 pesos en 20 pesos.
No!
Come to your king, I say. Come to your king, Abdeel. Bow in front of your king. Eat in front of your king. You the bird king?
No. I'm the big monster. So
Okay.
I'm the big monster king.
Toma, coge más.
No, yo todavía tengo, gracias.
Eat in front of your king's feet. Eat in front of your king's feet. That's your king, the big monster. Yes or no?
Robot.
Robot.
Can you give the birds corn?
Cheese doodles? Yes, I can. Yes, I can.
Whoa! Whoa! Papa, you're crazy! Whoa, no! No.
Eat in front of your king, Abdeel.
Ah!
For that is your king. Eat in front of your king, Abdeel, for that is your king.
Whoa, they like it!
¿No quiere mamá ahí? Coge. Eat in front of your king's feet. Abdeel is the king of the birds. That's too hard for them. Oh, they break it, but it's too hard. Eat in front of your king's feet. Abdeel is the king of the birds. Eat there. Obey. Obey the king, Abdeel. Come eat in front of your king. Now.
Here, Daddy.
For later? You want to give it to the birds?
Yeah.
Hurry. Give it to the little girl. Give it to all the kids. Give it to the
Finish?
Mira. Mira. De Perú. ¿De qué país tú eres? You don't speak Spanish? What country are you from? What country? Huh? What country?
Ah, okay. What, from the West Coast?
Yeah, Colorado.
Okay.
Cold freeze. Diaz!
Eat in front of your king.
Ahí.
Not all.
On that way.